Hey guys, John from Lawrence. Today we're at the beautiful Ananda Dam. Just thought we'll shoot down here quickly and make a video on the new indicator kit for the Ghost. It should be coming in Q1 of next year. So as you guys know, the current Ghost has got a magnetic head. It was fine until Active Target came along where the guys wanted more precision. So now what Lawrence have done is taken that head off, the indicator and the magnet, and made it a direct drive to the belt. So if you come forward, I'll show you guys on the Ghost. As I'm moving my pedal back and forth, there's no delay, no magnet, it's a direct drive. So for the guys that are using Active Target and wanting to pinpoint those brush pile or those fish, this is the new indicator kit coming for you. So it will be a straight swap out from your existing Ghost head to the new indicator. It will be quick and easy, and then you'll be more accurate when it comes to the Active Target.